Real estate financing explained. Everybody's asking how to get money. This is Liew, master of real estate investing, godfather, and Cosa Nostra of real estate. That's right. Financing. There are so many terms that you need to understand, and there are so many various methods that we have, and today we're going to get into financing explained. Typical real estate terms are as such, right? You need to know some terms on what you're buying so you could speak intelligently to the person that wants to finance your investment or the property you're buying. Identify qualifying incomes and ratio and estimating property taxes are typical things you look at as you get into financing. They want to know what the acquisition price, what the trends are in that area so that they can give you the financing with a great interest rate. Property finance options. That's right. We have so many options when you want to finance. We have government loans, we have FHA loans, we have conventional financing, private financing. But let's look at just a few, like mortgage financing or reverse mortgage financing or bridge loans or hard money loans. Like, what is a reverse money mortgage? That's someone who's a little bit older and they need to do a reverse money mortgage on their property where they're taking money out. Then you have your typical conventional mortgage. You have bridge loans where, say, you're buying something and then you're going to develop, so you need to bridge the gap before you get the construction loan. So there are always various options, and make sure there's some really great options where you have to put minimal down. And for you, those members that have provided us military service, and thank you for your service, there's loans out there for you to put 1%, 2%, 3% down and get financing, and that's the option that you want. So look at the options for real estate financing and take advantage today. The money's out there. Go get it. So let's talk about the types of home loans, because financing applies to all different types of real estate. But let's look at this slide we have on residential. For home loans, you have your conventional mortgage, and they usually have two different options. They could be a fixed rate or an adjustable arm. Let's look back at some of the non-conforming loans that we were talking about a little bit earlier, like your FHA, your USDA loans, your VA loans that we mentioned, and then your jumbo loans are for those much bigger properties. And these are your residential type loans. So let's lean in a little bit to these types of mortgages that we were talking about. And here I just wanted to mention that conventional mortgage, that may be for a primary or a vacation home or one of your investment homes. Now, if you're buying a home for your own personal use, you may want to look at a fixed rate mortgage, which we got on the top right over there. And then we have your adjustable rate mortgage, where a lot of people want to take advantage of the adjustable rate mortgage. Why? Because it starts out lower, which means lower payments when getting started. And then, of course, we have the government-backed loan, where a lot of times, you'll have everything reduced, interest rates, down payment, and all that kind of good stuff because of the service that you have provided, or that it's benefits to you because of something that you've done and you deserve it. And that's what it's all about. So I just want to leave you guys, learn about financing. And if you want to learn really about financing and buying properties with no money down so you don't have to get the equity, go to kenvanliew.com and learn about the modern wealth building formula and the financial freedom protocol. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the button below, because we're giving free value every single day. And I just want to tell you to make it a great day.